Hey guys, welcome back to Aries Garage. This isn't the intro that I had planned for this video. I had a whole one filmed up and I was happy with it. And then I was editing and noticed that I said some pretty stupid things. So before we get into the video, I wanted you guys to know that I've never unboxed any of the parts that you are about to see. So I was super excited and I rambled a whole bunch and I apologize. So you guys can ignore some of the things I said and just know that some things I'm about to say just don't make any sense. So thanks for watching and here's the unboxing.
All right, so first box we got here, we're gonna open up. I do have these upside down, so that way I didn't have to worry about the shipping label and my address being out there. Let's see, this one's from Summit. I'll jump in and see how hard this is to open. Okay. All right, we have a catalog, receipt, and a wine voucher, all that stuff. Okay. Looks like it's a box inside of a box. Okay. These are always the worst because it really builds up the anticipation. Okay, inside of here. Okay, right off the bat it says rocker arms. So let's flip those around. And these are 1.5 rocker arm ratios. Or has 1.5 ratio rocker arms. Sorry about that, got tongue-tied. There is 16 of them here. We have, these are Summit Racing. Here's the part number for those of you who are interested. These were about $40, so not too bad. Again, they're just Summit Racing brand, so they're nothing special, but I didn't need anything special. Okay, next box. This one came inside, or this one came in a weird box that was super damaged, so I just went and took it out, but it was, again, it was one of those that was a box inside of a box. Oh, there's a staple. Thought it was weird this was an opening. Trying to make sure you guys have a good shot here. I've never done this before. This is going to be, here's a receipt. This is going to be the oil pump. And some of the stuff came open. We have our drive, our stud. And the packaging wasn't all that great. Okay, right off the bat, one of the things I like about this that's going to save me some time is that this comes welded. So that's really nice. I didn't realize thought I was going to have to take it to shop and have it welded. For those of you who don't know, it's important to have these welded so that way your pickup tube doesn't fall out while you're driving or anything like that. Spins freely. It's going to be nice. Okay, I don't know how much longer we're going to be able to unbox on this table. Okay, here is our next one. Okay, again, we're at the bottom of the box. Let's get some of this stuff out of the way here. Okay, there we go. Oops, sorry about that noise. Okay, this looks like a receipt, and that has my address on it, so we're just going to get that out of here. This one, I didn't check where it was from, but I'm guessing, all right, yep, these are valve covers, it says. So these are going to be valve covers. I got these off of Amazon. But they are still name brand. They're the same brand as my intake, which is Assault Racing. These are going to be really nice. Oh, there goes that. Okay. All right, so these are the extra tall valve covers. They're center bolt because that's what we're dealing with here. They come with, in the package, what fell on the floor is it comes with rubber gaskets, and for the underneath for in here, it comes with everything you're going to need to run your PCV. So that's really awesome. Okay, so we'll put this here. Oh, I apologize. I've never worked on this before, and I will grab the next part. Okay, so we're back and we have our next box. This one is from Summit Racing. And I have no clue what's in each box. All I know is like everything came in one big order. Okay. Right off the bat, I see a few parts. Okay. All right, we have, these are our valve covers. These ones were cheaper to go off of Summit Racing for. They are Felpro. These are gonna be really nice. Okay. All right. Right off the bat, the first thing I see is we got a fuel pump. This is a Carter fuel pump. It runs, I'll show you guys the part number. Here's the part number. This runs, I believe, 7.5 PSI, which should be more than enough. If we can get this open. Okay, this is just it's a Carter American Muscle pump, I believe. Not for sure. Okay, here's this. Comes with gaskets, which I already have gaskets, but it's nice to have more. It's going to sit in there like so. I believe this is the in and that's the out. So I will have to find a way to make that work because I have it on mine right now. It's reversed, but that is okay. That's not a big deal. Okay, we'll go on to the next part. Okay, that doesn't fit back in there perfectly. There we go. Okay, all right. This is going to be our oil filter adapter. It took a canister filter before, and so this is going to allow me to use, I believe, a PH4 Fram PH4 oil filter. Again, here's the part number for that. This came off Summit Racing, and we have our NGK V-Power spark plugs. Got all 8 of those. I'll pull one out. I'll show you guys why they're called V-Power real quick. I currently run these now in the 6, and I really love them. Okay, is why they're called V is I don't know how well you can see this, but right there, I believe that's the electrode. There is a V. It dips down like a V, and supposedly that is really good. I don't know the science behind it. I don't know how accurate they are with it, but apparently that helps double the spark. I have no clue how truthful that is, but we have all 8 of those. Okay, so we can get those out. We have our classic Summit Racing book that comes with them. We have our stickers and our receipt, which I'll be saving the receipts and be doing a full video over the price of all of this later on. I don't know what's in here. I know what should be in here, but I don't know for sure what's in here. Looks like we have push rods. Perfect. Sweet. Here's push rod. The push rod part number. These are 7.79 inches long. They're stock OEM ones for a 327. So there's that box, and we will get on with the next one. All right, so knowing what I do or what I have and have not opened so far, I have a good feeling about what this one is, but I won't spoil it for you guys. This is one part I wasn't expecting to be able to get, but I was able to get my hands on one. Okay, this is also another box inside of a box. Well, it's kind of awkward to get out. Okay, got that. Let's get rid of this box. Okay, all right. If you guys were here and you guys could smell this, you would automatically know what it is, but you guys can't, so that's really awesome. I'm gonna get this out. That's the receipt. All right, you guys ready for this? I don't know if you're gonna be able to tell as soon as I lift this up, but let's see. All right, so right here is a Brawler 650 vacuum secondaries carb. Okay, so this one, as I said, it's got vacuum secondaries on it. It has electric choke. We have, over here it comes with kickdown cable attachments for, I don't remember which one's which, but it has for a 700R, a TH350, it just has all of them. So this is really shiny. I wasn't expecting to be able to get something this nice, but I was able to find a really good deal on it. And of course, for those of you who don't know, secondary chambers means that this doesn't open. Your secondaries only open under vacuum pressure. So right now, just my primaries are running, and then whenever I have a vacuum hooked up while it's running, it will open up, and the secondaries will open. And so that's how you get all 4. Mechanical means at a certain point in the throttle, it means that all 4 open at the same time. So right here would be about 2, and then as soon as you get past a certain point, it would open up all 4. So this is one of the coolest things that's going to be on the engine, and let's jump to and we will get to the headers. All right, guys, so this one's going to be a little bit awkward to film, so I apologize if there's any issues with it. I will do my very best here, but going into it. Okay, all right, so that's open. All right, so it's very obvious by pictures I posted on Instagram and the outside of the box what this is, or what these are. All right, let's get all this out of here. All right, you guys ready for this? So I know you guys, again, it's obvious by what the box says what it is, but these are gonna look really awesome. These are huge. Okay, these are Flowtech exhaust manifolds, or headers, whatever you wanna call them. These have a, I believe, 1 5/8 opening for the exhaust and a 3-inch collector. I am running 2.5-inch exhaust, so we'll have to get a reducer down to that. But these things are beautiful. These are not going to be permanently black. I'm going to let the black burn off before I paint them. These, when you buy Flowtech headers, you always have to remember that you have to let all this burn off. This is not a permanent black. Okay, so we'll sit this one down. and we'll go on to the second one. I'll give you guys a little bit of a better angle here. Okay, so we got our second one here. These are long tooth headers. And again, these things are shiny. And again, I know they're not going to look this perfect forever, but man, these are beautiful. And hopefully they fit. The link said they do. Hopefully they fit, and I don't have to worry about banging them up. These are beautiful. I was a little worried about any damage done to them, but these are beautiful. And no, I did not pay full price for these. Again, I only paid $100 for these, and I will tell you guys how I did that in one of my next upcoming videos. Then we're going to see what else is down here in the box. I see some more stuff. Okay, so we got those down. Here we go. At the bottom of the box here, these are for the collectors right here. There's going to be 2 of those, one for each side. Beautiful. Those might be the reducers, actually. I may not have to pick any of those up. Let's see. Okay, comes with gaskets. Looks like here's the other one right here. Okay, perfect. I thought maybe we were missing one. So it comes with awesome gaskets. These are going to be perfect. Again, I had gaskets for all this stuff, but I'm going to go and use the ones that came with it just to be safe. We have our, okay. Perfect. I always forget what these are called, but these are for the collector to attach to the exhaust. It comes with, it looks like the bag ripped open. There's a few down in the bottom of the box, but these came with bolts and washers, it looks like. Do I see a washer in there? Yeah, there's a washer. I have a hard time getting it out. All right, but yes, it came with bolts and washers for those. So that's really awesome. That's really nice. Again, I had all those. We're going to make sure we got collector gaskets. And we have something down here. Extend your warranty today for free. Looks like instructions. You shouldn't need instructions, but there they are. All right, so that's all I have to unbox today.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. Let me know what you guys think of the point of view unboxing. I might do another video like this. I haven't decided yet. So comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about it. And again, I apologize for any random rambling I did throughout the video. I was super excited, and hopefully you guys were excited as well. But I will catch you guys later, and thanks for watching.